Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking monitors and a clear desk footprint. Choose 2 to 4 displays so you can separate charts, order entry, and news. Once done, verify your GPU or docking station supports the needed DisplayPort or HDMI outputs and have adapters on hand. Arrange one screen as your primary for fast order execution. Place reference charts on the largest display. Make sure cable management is planned now so you won't need to move everything later. You next configure the operating system and trading software so each screen has a purpose. Set display arrangement and scaling so text and charts remain legible. Open your trading platform, drag the DOM, charts, blotter, and newsfeed to dedicated monitors, and save that layout as a profile. Once saved, map hotkeys for rapid focus shifts and window snapping. This reduces mouse travel and cognitive load. Make sure to test order placement speed while keeping critical info visible. You finish by stress testing the multi-monitor setup under live conditions using a simulator or small-size trades. Verify execution routes, latency, and that confirmations appear where expected. Monitor GPU load and refresh rates. Lower scaling if the GPU struggles. If something breaks, try swapping cables, updating display drivers, and reverting display scaling or DPI settings. One quick troubleshooting tip. Reconnect one monitor at a time to isolate the issue. This pinpoints driver versus hardware failures fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.